Prices are up. In fact, Annapolis prices are up 20.7% from last year. It's Friday, February 17th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. You need to know what the local market is doing, so be sure to subscribe for weekly updates. Prices in 21401 are up 7.9%. 21403 saw a 25.3% increase in prices. 21409 rose 56.1%. Inventory remains short with only 84 homes for sale in all zip codes of Annapolis. 8 new listings hit the market since my last report. 17 homes are coming soon. 14 went under contract. 10 moved to pending, and 14 sold in 37 days, falling to 93.7% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home to sell was in historic district for $1,375,000. Rental inventory is at 34 homes for lease at $3,150 per month at 15 days before leasing. Got questions? Let me give you the facts. Call me. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, February 17th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Until next week, stay safe.